What's going on, guys? Rawrina here, and today I'm excited to talk to you a little bit about the Rawrina app project. You may have seen us post a little bit about this and tease on it with social media accounts or in the community tab of this YouTube channel. But I've been working on creating a Rawrina app for the last few months, kind of off and on. But I'm really to the point where I need feedback and input on where it stands now, what it could be later, and features that you would really like to see as our driving community that would bring value and utility to something that you keep on your phone all the time. I've created a private Facebook user group, and this group would be a place to bounce ideas off of, to collaborate, brainstorm, talk about app artwork or aesthetics, and then talk about functions. Once we nail down what key functions really resonate with everyone, I can then take it to the next stage of development and work with someone who's really well versed in code to create an actual robust platform. So the intention for the final product of this app would be to have it on Android and iOS, a very low cost but purchase app from the store, and any of the sales and purchase would go back to support this channel to be able to keep making videos and things like that. As an incentive to join this Facebook group and help with development, anyone who joins for collaboration would get free access to the app once it launches and would be in the running for a $50 Amazon card just to say thanks. So I think it would be fun. And it's just really cool to be part of a team to create something new. So if you're interested, click the Facebook link below, join the group, and I look forward to seeing you there. Thanks a lot. We'll talk to you soon.